There's a lot of people who grow up with disabilities who might feel they aren't as involved as much as they want to, and maybe they feel sad that their disability might be holding them back. But having a disability team here can make those people feel part of something.
Wel, mae lawr yn cyfansoddiad ni fel clwb, mae dibynnu i roi cyfle i pobl a anabledd i wario pêl-droed. Asgwn cefen y tîm yw bois lleol, bois sydd wedi bod yn Penglais neu Penweddig, sy'n cefnogwyr o'r dre, wrth gwrs. Hwn mi'n credu yw beth maen nhw'n edrych mlaen at, mwy na dim.
When I turn up and you see all these players just enjoying themselves, it's just smiles on their faces, and it just makes it all worth it. There's 3 levels in the over 16s category. They're known as Champions League, the Premier League and the Championship. The abilities are very different in each level to make the matches as fair as possible and to give as many people a game.
Fi wedi bod yn bare fan hyn ers ryw blwyddyn a hanner, dwi'n meddwl. Mae'n bwysig iawn. Mae'n jyst yn gyfle da I bawb, I fi a'r gymuned. Dwi'n chwarae'n gôl. Fi'n trio yn ngorau safio am fy hun.
Rydyn ni yn ymarfer fan hyn gyda tîm y merched tu ôl I ni. Wedyn fel I ni'n gorffen, mae tîm cynta dre yn dod I ymarfer. Mae'n jyst wych bod y chwaraewyr yn gweld I gilydd o'r wahanol tîmoedd sy'n cynnwys dre Aberystwyth.
I've heard a message off one of the player support workers once, and they said this is all they talk about. They're coming to the football, representing Aberystwyth Town Football Club, which is what all these players are doing. Just being part of it is something brilliant, something to be proud of, and that's what these guys are. I think they're proud to be representing Aberystwyth Town.